Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be showing you guys my Ipsy bag from August for this month. Is it? Yeah, for this is how my box came from Ipsy. Obviously I ordered like a lot of stuff, so that's why they gave it to me in a box. But yeah, so basically this is how the box looks like. It's just a simple box. That's how it is. Sorry because it came like that, like, you know. But okay, so bag for August. It's the first thing out of the bag. I'm gonna take out this basically little card that says August 21. It says Wanderlust, recharge, reset, and go off the grid. So that's how it looks like this. Okay, so on my Ipsy bag I got this. So this is how it is. It's from the brand DOUCCE. I don't know if I pronounced it right or not, but and this is how it looks like. You guys can see it's very pretty palette, very pretty. The blushes and I believe the highlighters, I mean. Okay, so then I got this Somerville, and this is exfoliator, an intense exfoliating treatment. It looks like this. And like I said, I've been really into skincare lately. So I got this also basically an exfoliator treatment that I just get skincare. So this is how it looks like. I'll list down the products and basically the price of it as well, okay? The other thing that I received was this MURAD hydration sensitive skin soothing serum, and it looks like this, guys. And this is basically, it's an intense hydrating serum, relieves dry sensitive skin. Hyaluronic acid supports skin ability to retain moisturize, and chamomile extract helps soothe skin. Sorry, I can't even read. So yeah, this is how it looks. Basically, it's a little serum. See, so pretty, huh? And like I said, I'll basically put the price of these. And then I also got this. What is it? NEOGEN Dermatology all day looking fixer, ultimate fixing powder to maximize the longevity of makeup. Picking on my setting sprays, like I've been like on the lookout for like setting spray that actually helps with your makeup. So then the one that I'm using right now is the Revolution. Okay, so this other one that I got, this one actually I purchased this one, and this one is from Dragon. I mean, yeah, this one's I don't know if this is, I think the brand Dragon's Blood, and this is a sculpting gel, Rodial. So it's like this. I actually purchased this one, and this one I believe it was I can't say, sorry, I forgot. But since I'm actually recording on my phone, I can't tell you guys, I can't really like show you guys the price. But like I said, I'll list them down below because yeah, right now I'm kind of in a rush trying to film this video. But yeah, so it's like a Dragon Blood, and I wanted to try it because it's like, I guess it helps define facial contours and adds volume to saggy skin. Apply to cleanse face and neck twice daily. So I don't know if it's actually like blood, like, well, not blood, but like if it's like, you know, red, you know what I mean? So then I also received this one from the Complex Culture, medium to full coverage, and it's a concealer. This is how it looks. Oh wow, look, very cute. The packaging is very cute. Let me see if it fits me because it looks too white. Let me see. The brush, I don't really like the applicator because it's too hard. Let me show you guys. So that's how it is. It's kind of a little bit, I mean, not really, it's not too light, but I mean, right now I have a tan, so that's why, obviously. But I mean, it's okay, I'll give it a try. This other thing I got, oh, this is the one I actually purchased. This one is the BOMBEE Honey BOMBEE Moist Sun Essence SPF 50 So this is a sunscreen. So I love using sunscreen. Like I really the sunscreen that I'm using is the La Roche or something like that, but I'll try to link it down below, like the sunscreen that I use. And I really like that one. But the one thing about that sunscreen that I use, it really leaves your skin when you apply it, it like you look too white. It's super small. I thought it was a little bit big, but it's kind of small. So Avant Hyaluronic Shea Butter, what is it, Goji Berry Avocado Age Radiance. So it brightens and depuffing, and then it's an eye recovery mask. So here's how it looks like. It's super small. I do have the same brand, and I think it's a moisturizer, I believe, and it really does work really good. Like I really love it. So I have a lot of skincare, but I can't wait to try these. Obviously I'm not, you know, I'm finishing one by one. And I have this small one. Oh my god, this is so cute. Look at it. It's so cute. This is the glow recipe. It's a sample, and I believe it was $3. So I know, I was like, I thought it was gonna be at least like a little bit bigger, like, you know, but it's actually super small. Look. And this is the avocado melt Retinol Eye Sleeping Mask, bright and firm. It's a brightening and firming. So let me see. Oh, it smells so good. But I've been wanting to like buy like stuff from Glow Recipe, but I have, like I said, I have so much like products for skincare that I don't want to be having it stacked up and then just have it there and not use it. So I'm just taking my time to use it. But I really want to try the actual, like, the face mask from the same company. So I'm probably gonna order that one because I love face masks. Like I love having my skin, like my face, so smooth and so like glowy and everything like that. Like I love taking care of my skin. Lately I've been like taking care of my skin, but like ever since like we've been wearing masks, like I've been getting a lot of bumps because of the mask. So I just can't, like I can't. But I know we have to wear masks, so that's okay. But it's just the fact that when I go to work, like it's just whenever I go to work and I'm using the mask, my skin is so bad. And then when like the days off, like my days off, my skin is good. So it's just, I know it's the mask, you know, like I know it's because, you know, we breathe, and then my skin is so sensitive. So when I breathe, obviously like the warm and, you know, you're moving, doing stuff, and obviously like the heat of your breath, like it's just, you know, it absorbs in your skin, that it makes my skin like basically break out like little acne. Last but not least, lastly, is this Dermalactives. I don't know what brand is this, but this is a basically 7-in-1 LED light therapy mask. Enjoy the benefits of wireless LED light therapy from the comfort of your home. So this is from the brand. That's the brand. I'm sorry. So this is the brand. I don't know if you guys can see it, but yeah. Okay. So basically, this is like a mask that you do, and I really like couldn't wait to try it. That's why it came in a box, because it's too big to fit in the bag. So whenever, like, you know, order stuff like that, they always come in a box. But okay, so basically it tells you everything here, like what the mask does and everything like that. So that's what it is. Let me open it for y'all because I couldn't wait to open it. Like since I got it, I was like, I want to try, but I've been like, you know, I was waiting to make a video that way I could like try it, because I was like, I couldn't hold it, like I was so impatient about it. But this is basically the colors. Look, this has red, purple, green, yellow, like, or not, this is not purple, but I don't know, like a more, what is it, dark purple, blue purple, and then purple, I guess you could say. And this is what, this one, like a clear yellowish one, and then a blue one. It has different types of colors, but each color indicates for something. So for example, the red one stimulates the production of collagen and elastin, reducing inflammation, signs of aging. The blue light minimizes bacteria to balance and clarify blemish prone skin. Green LED light. It treats discoloration, including broken capillaries and dark circles. I don't know if I said it right, but yellow one reduces redness and boosts circulation. White one minimizes inflammation and sensitivity. Purple treats scars and texture. Laser LED accelerates active tissue metabolism. It says, and then how to use this: basically, after cleansing your skin and applying soothing and hydrating product, place Dermalactives LED face mask on and press the button. Continue to press until your desired color is on. We suggest 15 to 20 minutes 4 to 5 times a week. Ooh, okay. And this one, I think I spent like $100. Yeah, I know, right? But I was like, why not? Like, if this is gonna help my skin and like for wrinkles and everything like that, I'm like, I'm gonna spend that money. Like, you know what I mean? Like, it's worth it. So this is how it looks like, guys. It's very clear, but let me try it. Don't mind me, guys. I don't want to break it. And then it also has this portable charger. So let me try to open it because it's kind of hard. So basically, it has a charger for it to charge, and then basically just instructions, and that's about it, guys. Like, I don't want to turn it on because, like, I don't know how it turns on. Oh, I think it turns on like this. I think it's not charged, so. Oh, it is charged. I don't know if I'm supposed to be using it right now, but I can feel the heat. Let's turn it off. Hold on. Give me a moment, please, guys. See? It turns on the yellow. Let's see. So cute. Okay, I turned it on. But there it is. It's like a face, you know, a little facial you could do such at your house. Like I said, I've been really into my skin lately that I wash my face. I do everything on my face. I have, like, even like the stuff that I got from my past Ipsy, like, I have this, like, I do it on my face, everything like that, guys. Trust me, like, I invested so much money, like, I invested so much skin products that actually, like, has helped me during the past 6 months already. And like I said, I really recommend you guys to join the Ipsy bag. I mean, the Ipsy family. You know, this is not sponsored, no way sponsored, but I recommend it, you guys. And I'll try to put down my link, like, for you guys to use. That way you guys could go directly to it. And basically, I'll link down my little link code. That way you guys could actually use it. You guys don't have to use it, but I mean, it will mean a lot to me if you guys do. But like I said, you guys don't have to. You guys can also go to the Ipsy website and, you know, sign up for you guys yourself. But like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give a big thumbs up. Also, if you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Rosio, and yeah, I'll see you guys on my next video, and I hope you enjoy. And like I said, always stay glam. Oh, and also I hope you guys like this look. Like, this is very different. Like, I know this is like a little bit, it's because I kind of wet it, but like I said, yeah, like, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And like I said, this is like a very different, you know, like, very different me. You know, I wanted to actually do a video for this look, but like I said, I did not have any time today. I barely even had time to do my makeup, and I barely squeezing a little bit time to do this video right now too, because I gotta go places on my next video. And I hope you guys enjoy this video. See you guys. Bye.